Hi guys, here's another unboxing video. So today we are going to unbox this huge resin figure from Jaxdo. Now if we remove the brown box, here's Nika Luffy from Jaxdo. Now here's the front of the box. Grabe, box art pa lang, ang ganda na. Then on the left side of the box, ito yung makikita nyo. So yung nasa loob ng box nito is si Nika. So figure A. And then at the back, ito yung flowing Sakura Haki version na Luffy, which is version B. Hindi ito yung nasa loob ng box, guys. And then on the right side, makikita nyo itong Straw Hat Luffy Jolly Roger. Here's what you'll see on top of the box. And finally, at the bottom, there you go. Now, let's start to unbox this figure. Open lang natin yung box. So, inside the box, you'll find this instruction manual. So, ayan yung figure natin. Makikita nyo yung iba't ibang mga parts na kailangan nating i-combine para mabuo natin si Nika Luffy. Looking at this instruction manual, I think it's easy. Very easy to follow. So, try natin yan later. Try ko na ilabas itong figure. So, fast forward muna tayo. Kita nyo naman kung gaano ka-secured yung packaging ng ating figure. Here we have the first hand part ni Luffy with the lightning effect. So set aside lang natin muna to. And then itong kanyang purple sash. And then we have here another cloud effect. Ito naman yung second hand part with lightning effect. Pero this time yung lightning effect is color yellow. Here's the third hand part. This figure also comes with this plate stand wherein it says that our figure is a limited edition from Jaxdo. So I got the 268th item out of the 488 items released by Jaxdo. Here's another cloud effect. Oh, and finally we have here Luffy's head. Obviously, hindi pa tayo tapos. Meron pa tayong half portion nitong packaging na naglalaman ng iba pang mga parts ng ating figure. Here we have another cloud effect. Siyempre, hindi mako-complete yung ating Luffy figure without his straw hat. Ito na. Ito na yung base ng ating figure. So, this base has a rock effect and cloud effect combined. Here's an additional effect part that serves also as a base, as additional base ng ating figure. Ayan, ito na yung lower body part and some upper body parts ng ating figure. Aside from the figure itself, meron din siya nitong UV light. So this figure comes with a UV flashlight rather, na rechargeable. I'm glad that this UV flashlight is working. So later I will demonstrate to you what's the purpose of this UV light. For now, start muna tayo mag-combine. So we have here the first and second part. So ito yun, yung body part, lower body part and upper body part ng ating figure, plus yung kanyang purple sash. So insert lang natin tong purple sash dun sa side hole sa may belt ni Luffy. Here guys, you'll notice how detailed this figure is. Nakikita nyo naman, di ba? Yung color, yung shading dun sa shorts. There's a bit of purple and then blue and then white, all combined. So panalo tong figure na to. Pala, magnetic yung peg tsaka yung hole ng ating figure. So madali nyo lang mailalagay yung mga parts niya. Next is 3 and 4. Ayan, dito sa effect parts na to, kita nyo yung magnet, oh, yun, oh. Kaso medyo madumi. Kalinisan lang natin yung magnet. Ayan, ito na yung kailangan nating i-combine dito sa effect part na to na also serves as a base. So, combine lang natin. So, again, this is magnetic. So, madali nyo lang siyang mailalagay. Toink. Ayan. Nakadikit na siya kaagad. Next is, pwede na natin siyang ilagay doon sa body part ni Luffy. Here's the rock effect base. Ayan. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-detail talaga oh. Base dito sa manual, ilalagay lang natin yung peg doon sa paa ni Luffy. Isushoot lang natin dito sa may hole. And voila. Ayan, nakadikit na siya. Pansin ko ito, meron siyang white, parang cushion para hindi dumulas yung figure pagka nilagay nyo siya or dinisplay nyo siya sa cabinet. Based dito sa manual, yung next na ilalagay natin is yung kaliwang kamay ni Luffy, tsaka yung cloud effect around his neck. And then another cloud effect doon sa lower body part. Next is of course yung kanyang straw hat. Sunod naman yung right arm ng ating figure. So, dalawang klase yung right arm. Yung unang right arm, meron siya nung bluish lightning effect. Yung isa naman, yung isang right arm, ang hawak naman niya is yung yellowish na lightning effect. I think mas eye-catchy itong yellow lightning effect. So, ito yung lalagay natin. Mali yung pagkakalagay ko ng right arm, pero I think it still looks good. So, hindi ko na ibahin. Ayaan na natin nakaganyan yung kanyang right arm. At yung huling i-combine natin ay yung ulo ni Luffy. Dito pala nakalagay na rin yung purpose ng UV flashlight. Pero UV lamp yung tawag niya dito. Later, iti-test natin yan. Okay, proceed na tayo to combine Luffy's head para makomplete na natin itong ating figure. Ang hustig talaga nitong plate na to, itong golden plate. Ayan, nakakatawa na talagang limited edition itong ating figure. About the height of this figure, so yung height niya is approximately nasa 9 inches mula dun sa buhok ni Luffy pababa. And then kung isasama nyo naman yung lightning effect, aabot siya up to 11 inches tall. About sa weight nitong figure, I think this is approximately 7 kilograms. Let's do naman a side-by-side comparison with King of Artists Gear 5 Luffy. So ayan, nakita nyo naman. I thought ito na yung pinakamalaking Gear 5 Luffy ko, pero mas malaki pa pala itong si Jax-Do. Okay, next itry naman natin yung UV light effect. So ito yung UV flashlight. Kapag ka tinapat nyo siya dun sa hand ni Luffy, makikita nyo parang merong flowing haki dun sa kanyang left hand. Diba? Ang astig. Grabe. Galing. So, yung next naman is yung sa base niya, meron din. There you go. Ayan. Ang astig, diba? Try ko baka sa right hand meron. Ay, wala. No, doon lang sa left hand. Ayan. Now, let's look closely at Nika Luffy.